Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today the theme of this video is makeup looks for Eid. So as you know that Eid is coming, so I thought to make a makeup tutorial video for Eid only. So let's start. So I've just washed my face with Pond's face wash White Beauty, and after that I'm just applying this Himalaya facial wipes. So my face is also white. I would like to use some skincare first, as I am applying this Oriflame toner, this Love of Love Nature. So we'll take only the dab of cloth and just dab on my skin. It's done. I would like to do my eye makeup first. So let's start. For my eye makeup, I am using these Naked brushes. So they are very nice. So मैं अपनी आई शेडो के लिए ब्लैक एंड गोल्डन यूज कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज देख सकते हैं आप, द कलर इज ब्लैक एंड द वर्क ऑन माई सूट इज गोल्डन. सो I think it's best. Both the languages, Hindi and English as well, so that you can easily understand what I am using, what I am doing. We have to conceal our eyes first. So I've taken this the Oriflame the One concealer, which is my favorite concealer. So you know that how you have to apply on the eyes, not so. Just blend it fast. I think it's done. So it's time for eyeshadow. Guys, I'm gonna use this Maybelline New York Studio Kohl Kajal for my eyeshadow. So let's do it. Yeah. Light bit of concealer here. Use this golden eyeshadow on my eyes. So yeah. Keep your eyes closed. To do is basically we have to blend these two, black and golden. So let's start. See how I'm using it. You can see black and golden mix, blended, and golden at the corner. So it's looking beautiful. You can see. So it's time for my next eye. So finally you can see that my both the eyes are done. Just have to apply this kajal. So let's start. You can see I have applied this kajal. Similarly on this eye. Kajal is done. I have created this mess. So kajal is done. Now let's clear all this stuff. Before this clearing of my face, I just want to add on mascara and eyeliner too. I'm using this Lakme eyeliner. So, just basic one, simple eyeliner. You have to just. So you can see that it added depth to my eyes, both kajal and eyeliner both. I need to think that I have to clear my face again. You can see. You can see the lot of eyeshadow just. And I'm using this Lakme eyeliner as a mascara. You can see. Yes. Then let's come to our face. My eye makeup is done. So the same moisturizer, Lakme Peach Milk. Using this Giordani foundation SPF 35, Giordani Gold. So I'm just taking it bit here, and then I'm using this brush. So just first apply with brush. last, finally, what I do is take this. You can see. Next step is concealer. As you know that I'm using this the same Oriflame, the one concealer, and I have already taught you that how to apply this concealer. So just blend it. Probably the next step after concealer is baking. So I'm using this loose powder and this blender. I have used this powder, loose powder, and what I'm gonna do is this. Bake. I have to bake my concealer. Powder just I have to just dust off. Very next step is face powder, that we have to apply face powder. The powder, the quantity of this compact, I'll be using less because you know that I have already used loose powder for my baking. So just be careful that your face must be not over powdered. Not just add on all the compact and just shape logo pe sab kuch. No, you have to just add the required amount of powder. So the criteria will be, you have to take this much, then you have to dust off this much, you can see, and then you have to apply where you haven't applied the powder. Bit on eyes, under eyes, upper lips, cheeks. Then similarly this forehead. Forehead is must, you know, the brightness. And the major part, that is your neck. You don't have to avoid your neck at any cost. Either you are applying a foundation or you are applying a powder. You don't have to forget your neck. It's your main thing, and main thing must be like this, that your neck contrast should, your neck's color combination should be with your face. If you are applying much foundation on your face, then the face will be patchy and your neck will be black definitely. So you must have to you have to be careful that your neck color must be as same as your skin color. Your foundation you are applying to your face, you have to apply half of the proportion to your neck. Just see. Next I'm using this Swiss Beauty blusher palette for again blusher. Okay. Don't forget to smile while applying the blush. Let me check. The same highlighter I am using, this white one. You know where to apply, how to apply highlighter. Highlighter you have to apply normal above your eyes. Now all this I just forgot to do my brows, so let's commence with brows. I'm using this 2-in-1 brush. Then angled brow brush. And it's done. So it's time for lipstick. I'm using this Huda Beauty shade this. As a brush lipstick, I'll use Huda Beauty this shade so that the both shade mix and gives some extra new shade. So let's see which shade this gives. So you can see the shade. You can see that almost my makeup work is done, and what I'm left with only the jewelry part. So before my jewelry part, I have to just fix it. So I have this MAC makeup fixer spray. So you know that how to apply this. close your eyes and lips, keep it away from you, and then that's it. You can see my looks. I'm just very much excited to wear my jewelry, so you have to just wait for just 2 minutes. I'll be right back, and just tell me that how I'm looking. So do you like my this look? I wish you very happiest Eid Mubarak. Also, if you like this video, then do subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you. Love you all.